Hi, I'm Vodka, and I'm an admin of Easy Food for DIY. In this video, I'm going to show you the daily life of remote area people. Besides that, I would like to talk about how is life between city life and remote area life. Then let's see together. City life and remote area life are two very different lifestyles. Here are some of the key differences. City life, fast-paced. City life is known for being fast-paced and hectic. There is always something to do, and people are always on the go. Slow pace. Remote area life is known for being slow-paced and relaxed. There is less to do and people tend to take their time. Variety of activities. Cities offer a wide variety of activities and amenities. There are museums, theaters, restaurants, bars, and shops to explore. Scenic beauty. Remote areas are often located in beautiful natural settings. This can be a great way to relax and de-stress. Diversity. Cities are home to a diverse population of people from all walks of life. This can be a great thing, as it exposes you to new cultures and perspectives. Close-knit community. Remote areas often have close-knit communities. People know each other, and there is a sense of support and belonging. Cost of living. The cost of living in a city is typically higher than in a remote area. This is due to the higher demand for housing, transportation, and other necessities. Lower cost of living. The cost of living in a remote area is typically lower than in a city. This is due to the lower demand for housing, transportation, and other necessities. crime. Cities tend to have higher crime rates than remote areas. This is due to the higher population density and the presence of more opportunities for crime. Lack of amenities. Remote areas may lack some of the amenities that are available in cities. This can include things like restaurants, bars, and shops. Isolation. Remote areas can be isolating. There may be a lack of opportunities to socialize and meet new people. Ultimately, the best place to live depends on your individual preferences and needs. If you are looking for a fast-paced, exciting lifestyle with plenty of activities and amenities, then a city may be a good fit for you. If you are looking for a slow-paced, relaxed lifestyle with a close-knit community and a lower cost of living, then a remote area may be a better option. Thank you for watching. We will come back again for the next video.